replacing this little damn, I forgot what it was. Cylinder, the brake cylinder for the drum. I got the other one right here. It's not brand new. I got it out the junker. I just cleaned it up though. It looks brand new and it doesn't leak or nothing. So all you gotta do is take off the wheel, of course. First, take out the wheel, and then this is what we're gonna be removing right there. Let's see if I can get it right there. This right here, it has some little clips. You gotta stick some really thin screwdriver or picks, which is these right here. You gotta stick them in both sides. There we go. Right here. Right there on the side. And then on the other side. And then it pops up. The thing is, I don't know if I really don't want to take all these springs, all my brakes undone. I'm trying the best I can not to take them off. So far right now, I just lift them up like that over, because they mount on this thing right there, holding, you know, as you can see that notch right there, it rests on that. It hugs it on both sides. So what I did, I just got a screwdriver and pry it up, and I left them up just enough to get clearance for this to get it out. So hopefully it comes out that way. So I'm gonna get to it right now, see if I can get it out. Oh, and you gotta remove your brake line. That's a 13. Well, for my vehicle it's a 13. It's a S10. You need a, oh no, I'm sorry, it's not a 13, it's a 14. So that's it. Let me see if I can get this thing off, and then I'll come back at you guys. All right, so I got it out. You gotta kind of pry that shit out with, like I'm telling you, I use these three. I broke one, the tip, one of these, but these are cheap at Harbor Freight Tools. So you just gotta stick your, let me see, where's the new one at? Okay, so this is how it goes. This thing goes in here. It goes in here like that. So pretty much this goes in here like that. And you gotta pry that out like that in order for you to get this motherfucker out, or this sucker out. So I got it out. I got the thing off. Let's see if it clears. I think it does. Now I just gotta wiggle it or find a way to clear all these out, because I'm really not trying to get those out. So let me try that out, and then come back at you guys. Alright, I managed to get this sucker out. So what I did, it was in there. Like I said, I moved the brakes up. I didn't move none of this. I was fighting it not to move these, but I didn't move them at all. What I did is I took it out, I rolled it this way, and since I have like this more space right here, I wiggle it, like moved it to like the side, you know, like somehow like that, and till I got it out like that, you know, like it was, you know, it was in there somehow like that, just twisting and like that, and it came out pretty good. So now the new one, well, it's not a brand new one. I got it out the junkyard in good condition and everything. It looks brand new. It's too sunny to tell. Look, it was rusty, but there was no leaks on it. See, kind of like that, rust. But I got the what is it? The weir brush and the drill, and I just like sanded it down, well, brush it, and then it looks brand new pretty much. So what I was trying to show to earlier, that this pin or a clip, safety clip pin, I don't know what they're exactly called. I'm gonna call it a pin, give or take, whatever. But it goes onto here, you know, in here like that. So let me see. Sorry, man. I'm doing it one hand. So pretty much like that. All the way to it sits flush down here, right there. And I'm guessing you have to like punch it back in, hit it with like a hammer on the sides, till it clips onto right there. Alright, so I managed to get it to fit or make it go through it how I told you guys. You just gotta kind of like turn it, you know, like wiggle it, whatever. But I managed to get the new one in there. Now you just gotta keep passing it all the way to back where it goes right here. So I'm gonna see if I could one-hand it. If not, I'm gonna have to pause this and show you at the end how it goes. But you get the point. I mean, just, you know, through there. Alright, everything was a success, but it was a pain in the rear. So I don't know if it's easier for anybody to do it that way, but for me, I think it was easier for me to do it this way than bolting everything down. So now that it's in there, you just bring this back down, this side to that, fix that, and now we just got to put this pin back in there, which it's pretty much put it over. Let me see if it's that way. Hopefully you guys can see like that, and then you just hammer on the ends or whatever. This came off. This part came off too, but it's easy. It goes right there, all the way across to like I believe like to that one right there, or something like that. And that's about it. So okay, well, I don't know what happened there, but this one's more pin in the rear. So I'm gonna get the screwdriver. You don't want to damage that right there, your freaking thing that you just put on. So the trouble that I was having right now putting this one down, it's on the same your cylinder, your brake cylinder. You have to bring that little thing in, press that in. If not, it's gonna keep hitting right here. So you need that space so it could clear to bring back your brake pad. So that's it, pretty much. I'm done. I just gotta put back my brake line, hook my brake line. Alright, man, that was a pain in the rear, but I think I got it finished. That's supposed to be, I don't know if that one's supposed to be like that. Might have to check out the other side. But pretty much it looks done. See everything. The back too is gonna where to go? Right there. Right there. The clip. In there and everything. So pretty much that's how you swap these cylinder, the brake drum brake cylinder. That's how you replace it. So that's it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. This is the old one, so I'm pretty much done. That's all you gotta do. Now I'm just gonna put my drum back in, put my wheel back on, and I should be done. So I know it's not difficult. All you need is just a 14, a flathead screwdriver, And it could be a smaller flathead too, or you could use these orange picks or whatever they're called, Harbor Freight tools for like $1, $2 to these are just for the that clip that goes back there, the one I keep showing you guys. For that, you just gotta stick it in there, pry it out, and it should come outside. So there you go, guys. I hope you guys liked the video. Hopefully it was helpful for somebody else, what I just did. And don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and I should have another video soon. Alright, thank you guys.